Food lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a delicious and easy meal that is perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner, you are in the right place. Today we are making a tasty combination of fried plantain and a delicious egg sauce made with tomatoes, onions and pepper. It's super simple and bursting with flavor. So let's get cooking. Food lovers, these are ingredients we have: are tomatoes, green pepper, onions and our egg and plantain. So we are going to be cutting this into shapes, small shapes. We'll cut them differently. We'll cut our green pepper, our tomatoes, our pepper, our onions. We'll cut them into a desired shape. Mind you that you don't cut it into big size because you're going to fry it. So these are our amazing chopped tomatoes, pepper, green pepper and onions. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful. So food lovers, it's time to cut our plantain. We all know plantain is very healthy, is good for calcium and strong bones. So I'm going to cut our plantain into our desired shape. Some people like it the boss shape, while some like it big like this. So just cut your plantain into the shape that you desired. Before now, I used to like it small shape, like for the children's size, but now I like it this way. So guys, you need to cut it whatever shape and size that you preferred or you love. So after cutting it, it's time to get ready with our eggs. So I'm going to break our egg into plates. We are using 3 eggs for this recipe, so we break it into plates and we are going to whisk it together. So we'll turn the egg together and set it aside for it to be ready. And guys, we are heading to start preparing our egg sauce and plantain. So what is the next thing we are going to do? We are going to get our frying pan. Mind you, we are using a non-stick frying pan. So we are going to get it, put the quantity of groundnut oil that we want to put, and then we'll start frying our plantain. So I'm going to fry it evenly the way you want it, maybe too brown or light brown. Also guys, you can also air fry your plantain. If you have an air fryer, you can put your plantain inside your air fryer and then bring it out after 3 minutes or 5 minutes and your plantain is ready. But today guys, we are going to be frying our plantain in the normal way, frying it with groundnut oil. As you can see, our plantain is getting brown, so we are going to turn them together, everything, and then allow it to fry for 2 minutes and we'll bring it out. So guys, these are amazing plantain that is ready for eating. So we are going to make our delicious egg sauce that is made with tomatoes, onions, pepper and green bell pepper. It's super simple and it's bursting with flavor. So guys, I'm going to start with frying the onion. So the next thing, you put your pepper. So you stir everything together guys. When stirring this together, you'll be perceiving the exciting aroma that is so good to the soul. So I'm going to put our tomatoes and stir everything together. While you are stirring it together, you make sure that you are checking what you are stirring together to make sure it is well fried. So guys, we are going to add our green bell pepper. This green pepper is so amazing because it adds exciting flavor, like a touch of different flavor to the frying. Then we'll put our sauce, we'll put our maggi, our allow it to fry. Leave it for like some minutes, maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Just allow it to fry so that all the maggi will enter the sauce and they will all mix together. So after frying, you get your egg and then you pour your egg inside the frying sauce. Make sure you distribute the egg evenly. So after distributing, you stir it gently. And allow it to fry together with the sauce. As you can see, the egg sauce is changing, so the sauce is taking the shape with the egg. So the egg is changing as you are frying it, so just stir it for some time, and then our amazing egg sauce is ready. So food lovers, let's dish out this together. So you put your plantain and then your egg sauce inside your plate, and you are ready to eat your egg sauce and fried plantain. So food lovers, this is a meal that is quick, satisfying and packed with flavor. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tasty recipes. And let me know in the comment section if you try this out or have any variations of your choice. Thanks for watching. I would like to see you in my next video. Bye.